Well, as you can tell, they're not very hungry this morning. This is just about as excited as they get today. This is permanent pasture. This is our first grazing. It's wrong, our second grazing this spring. We grazed really early in the spring. We just had to get them on some sod because of the weather. And now we gave it a rest. We grazed all our annuals, our winter annuals that we planted last year. And now we're moving in on this summer, for the beginning of the summer. Give our summer forage a chance to mature. About 60 days. We'll be moving on off of this back over there, and then come back in on the fall, maybe. May wait till the winter. Depending on how the weather goes.